So you need a USB cable, you go online, you do a search. Gee, here's one, looks pretty darn good. Price is right too. Okay, so it's not from a company I ever heard of. Who cares? It looks the same as all the others, and you buy it. Now you get it home, and you get ready to install it. What you didn't know was this cable's been hacked. And you now just made it possible for that hacker to get into your system through Wi-Fi on this board. And he's about to redirect you to an infected phishing site. Bye-bye to all your data. Enjoy. Sometimes a bargain isn't a bargain, so be careful. It's a dangerous world out there. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.